Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make simple iced coffee. Making delicious iced coffee at home is incredibly easy and satisfying. We'll start by ensuring our coffee is brewed strong and then chilled. This foundational step is crucial for a rich, undiluted flavor. Gather your favorite mug, some ice, and any additions like milk or sugar. Let's get started on crafting your perfect cool beverage. For the best iced coffee, brewing a strong concentrate is key. Aim for a double-strength brew, using about 2 tablespoons of ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water. This ensures your coffee won't taste watered down once it meets the ice. After brewing, let your coffee cool down to room temperature, then refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. A cold base is essential for a truly refreshing drink. Now for the fun part, assembling your drink. Grab a tall glass and fill it generously with ice cubes. About 1 cup should do. Next, pour in approximately 6 ounces of your pre-chilled strong coffee. This ratio provides a perfect balance. Finally, add your desired amount of sweetener, perhaps 2 tablespoons of simple syrup and a splash of milk or cream. Stir it all together. The beauty of homemade iced coffee is the endless customization. Feel free to experiment with various coffee roasts, from light and fruity to dark and bold. You can also enhance the flavor with a dash of vanilla extract, a pump of caramel syrup, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon. Give it a good stir, take a sip, and savor your perfectly crafted, refreshing iced coffee. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.